Good afternoon, student. In last lecture, we are studied density of simple cubic unit cell, density of body-centered cubic unit cell, and number of particles present in simple cubic unit cell, body-centered cubic unit cell, and face-centered cubic unit cell. In this lecture, we are going to study relation between molar mass, which is denoted by capital M, then density of the substance, which is denoted by rho, and unit cell age length, which is denoted by small a. First of all, unit cell age length. Suppose unit cell age length is given as small a. If first point is, if unit cell age length is a centimeter, the volume of second point is volume of unit cell is equal to a cube, because volume is the cube of length, cube of age length, that is a cube. Then mass of one particle is m. Third, mass of one particle is capital M, and there are n particles. There are, if mass of one particle is m, if there are n number of particles are present, if there are n particles are present, n particles, then mass of unit cell is equal to mass of unit cell is equal to mass of one particle multiplied by n, m into n. Then next is, we know that fourth is density, which is denoted by rho, density of unit cell is equal to mass of unit cell divided by volume of unit cell, volume of unit cell. Therefore, here density is denoted by rho. Rho is equal to mass of unit cell, that means m multiplied by n, divided by volume of unit cell. In second point, volume of unit cell is a cube. This is the value of rho. Then molar mass of substance is given by mass of one particle. Fifth point, molar mass, that is capital M, of given substance is capital M is equal to mass of one particle multiplied by Avogadro's number. Mass of one particle multiplied by Avogadro's number. What is Avogadro's number? Number of atoms or particles present in any 1 mole of a substance. Therefore, capital M is equal to mass of one particle, here small m, multiplied by Avogadro's number, that means Na. Value of capital M is equal to mass of one particle multiplied by Avogadro's number. From this equation, what is the value of small m? Small m is equal to capital M upon Avogadro's number. This value is substituted in value of rho, then rho is equal to small m capital M divided by Avogadro's number into n into a cube. By using this formula, we can calculate density of any unit cell. Density of unit cell is equal to molar mass of that substance multiplied by small n, where small n is the number of particles present in unit cell. That is, in simple cubic unit cell only one particle is present. In body center cubic unit cell there are 2 particles per unit cell, and in face center cubic unit cell there are 4 particles per unit cell. Na is the Avogadro's number. What is the value of Avogadro's number? 6.022 into 10 raised to 23, then volume a cube. By this formula, we can calculate density of unit cell. Then, depending on this formula, there will be 3 marks numerical will be asked in exam. Therefore, this is important formula for calculating density. Then next point is packing of particles in crystal lattice. Packing of particles in crystal lattice. Then, what is the coordination number? The number of neighboring spheres that touch any given sphere. What is the coordination number? It is the number of neighboring sphere that touch any given sphere is called as coordination number. Magnitude of coordination number is measure of compactness of spheres in close packing. Larger the coordination number, closer are the sphere to each other. There are types of close packing. First, there are one-dimensional close packing, two-dimensional close packing, and three-dimensional close packing. First is close packing in one dimension. First, close packing in one dimension. One dimension. In such a type of close packing, equal size spheres are written at the row horizontally. For example, close packing in one dimension. particles, equal size particles are arranged in a row. That is one dimensional close packing. What is the coordination number for any given sphere? For example, this sphere is touch to neighboring two sphere, therefore coordination number is 2. Coordination number is 2. Close packing in one dimension. Then next is close packing in two dimension. Close packing in two dimension is classified into again two types. First is square close packing and second is hexagonal close packing. First, square close packing. Square close packing. Square close packing is formed by close packing in one dimension, that is, such a type of rows are stacked one over another, that is, this is A type row and another is also A type. Third, it is also A type. And fourth, this square close packing is also called as A type of arrangement, in which one dimensional close packing rows are stacked over one another. Then what is the coordination number of why it is called as square close packing? For example, suppose I have taken one sphere. This sphere is attached to neighboring four sphere. This central sphere is touched to neighboring four sphere. Therefore, its coordination number is equal to 4, and by neighboring sphere they form square arrangement. Therefore, such a type of packing is also called as square close packing. Then third is second type in close packing in two dimensional. Second is hexagonal close packing. Second is hexagonal close packing. In hexagonal close packing, what is the difference between square close packing and hexagonal close packing? See here, this is first row, that is A type. A type. Then this trough of the first row, then second row is draw in the trough of the first row. Therefore it is B type of arrangement. Then again alternate rows are identical. Then third row is again A type. This is A type. Alternate rows are identical, therefore fourth row is of B type. In this way, it is B type. Therefore, this type of packing is also called as AB type of packing. If we taken any spare, here I have taken this spare, then we have to calculate coordination number of this selected spare. This central spare is touched to neighboring 6 spare, that is, these are the 6 spare. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Therefore, it forms hexagon. Due to formation of this hexagon, this type of clothes packing is called as hexagonal clothes packing. Then what is the coordination number of this central spare? Coordination number of central spare is equal to 6. Then next point in next lecture.